Welcome back. This is my second struggle, and trust me, this one was harder than editing.
Because today I'm talking about filming videos. Yes, the moment I had to face the camera for the first time. And honestly, I wasn't ready at all. So here comes my second struggle. Filming videos, not editing, not posting, just standing in front of a camera. And wow, no one told me it would be this hard.
It was more challenging than I ever imagined.
I kept stopping because of every little sound of the fan, my baby, even a passing car. I couldn't focus. I didn't know where to look, how to sit, what to do with my hands. I felt like a robot trying to pretend I was human. I overthought every hand movement, every blink, every tilt of my head. I felt frozen at times. Okay, first take. Let's do this. Oh no, I forgot my line again. I recorded the same line at least 20 times. In one take, I blinked too much. In the next, I forgot what I was saying. And in another, I sneezed. And when I finally pressed record, my voice suddenly changed. Like my own voice betrayed me. Too soft, too loud, too shaky, everything except normal. Talking too fast, too slow, I couldn't find my pace. Even a small pause felt huge. People think filming is easy, but when you're new, that tiny camera lens feels like it's judging you. Like it's silently saying, "Are you sure you want to do this?" Camera settings confused me. Focus, resolution, lighting modes. Whew. I spent more time staring at the camera than recording. I kept asking myself, will I look silly? Will people laugh? That fear froze me a few times. I'm nervous. I've never filmed myself before. What if I mess up? But today, I have to take this step, no matter what. I thought I looked fine in the mirror, but the camera showed something totally different. Messing up is part of learning. Record multiple takes. Even pros do this. Oh, a little light here, a slight tilt of the camera. Wow, it looks much better now. Filming yourself can feel scary. Trust me, I know. I was nervous, shy, and unsure where to start. But despite all this, I pressed record. And guess what? Each struggle made me more confident. Sometimes all it takes is a shift in perspective to unlock your full potential. Let's explore the possibilities together. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm sharing my top 10 filming tips to make your videos shine. Remember, your first video doesn't need to be perfect. Authenticity beats perfection every time. The first step is always the hardest, but you did it. Keep practicing, stay consistent, and your confidence will grow every day. Tip: start small. You don't need a perfect setup or expensive camera. Just grab your phone and record one short clip.
Tip 1. Use natural light whenever you can, features. It makes your video look brighter and professional. Lighting is everything. Face the window or use a small lamp to avoid shadows on your face. Tip 2. Keep your camera at eye level tarish. It makes you look confident and connected with viewers.
Experiment with angles. Slightly above eye level or straight on works best. Find what feels natural. Tip 3. Stabilize your camera with a tripod or stand. No shaky videos, please. Tip 4. Keep your background clean and simple so viewers focus on you. Tip 5. Frame yourself using the rule of thirds. Leave some space above your head. Tip 6. Good audio is key. Use a microphone or record in a quiet room. Tip 7. Use soft, diffused light indoors or room. It reduces harsh shadows and looks professional. Tip 8. Plan your script or talking points. It keeps you confident and smooth. Tip 9. Record multiple takes. It's okay if you mess up chops. Practice makes perfect. Tip 10. Relax, smile, and be yourself. Authenticity connects with your audience. But you know what? That struggle taught me courage. I realized the camera isn't scary, it's just the first person you learn to trust. So if filming feels impossible, it's okay. You and I are learning together. And trust me, it gets better.
Let's grow and learn, step by step. If you enjoyed watching me struggle, don't forget to hit like, share with your friends, and subscribe so we can tackle the next struggle together.